Hello guys, welcome back to 5-Minute WordPress. In this video, we are going to learn how you can install WordPress in Localhost so that you can create your dream site in your computer first before moving it to its original domain. We are going to do it in very simple steps. For this, we need to download Bitnami WordPress. Bitnami is a ready-made solution that allows us to run WordPress on our computer. Let's start. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and click bell icon to get notification about the future videos. Let's back into the lesson. Open a browser and then type Bitnami WordPress. And now click the link bitnami.com. Here you can see it's available for different operating systems. You will download the file according to your operating system. Today, I will use Windows. It may take some time to download, so let's wait. Okay, download finished. Now we will install Bitnami WordPress. Double-click on the saved file and click Yes. Select the language and click OK. Now keep clicking Next until you reach this page. Here you need to input some details and set your user login and password for your local WordPress site. Click Next. Now you have to choose some ports. Keep clicking Next. Input your blog name and keep clicking the Next button several times until the installation is finished. It may take some time. Now it's finished. Click the Finish button. It will take you to this page. Here just click Access WordPress. Yes, now you can see your WordPress site is running on your computer. You can log into your WordPress dashboard by typing /vp-admin after your local site URL and it will take you to the login page. Now use your user ID and password for login that you used during installation. You can also change this URL IP address to localhost. So this is how you can install WordPress locally on your computer. In the next lesson, we will learn how to install a theme in WordPress so you can change your site's looks and feel. Thanks for watching. Let's not forget to subscribe to our channel and stay with us to learn everything about the world's most popular CMS, WordPress.